The First Alert Hardwired Combination Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm with Battery Backup offers twice the protection with a single installation. This 120-volt smoke and CO alarm wires directly into your home's electrical system and comes with a 9-volt battery backup with quick-draw battery drawer to keep you safe in any situation. The ionization sensor detects fast-flaming fires, while the electrochemical sensor responds quickly to carbon monoxide. With a single silence test button on the front of the alarm, you can easily perform weekly tests to assure your alarm is functioning properly. When an alarm is triggered, you'll hear a loud 85 decibel T3 pattern chirp to alert you. Installation is easy with a universal mounting bracket and tamper-resistant locking pins. The First Alert Hardwired Combination Smoke and CO Alarm with Battery Backup comes with a 10-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.